Hi. In this video we will talk about landing pages. What are they? Why are important and how will help to extend your business? First, let's understand what are landing pages. Landing pages are designed to drive specific actions, such as lead generation, product promotion, or event registration. Unlike general website pages, landing pages are focused on a single goal or conversion point, being an important tool for marketing campaigns. Now let's understand why landing pages are important for your marketing efforts. Provide focused conversions by targeting specific goals, in this way increasing the likelihood of conversions. Offer enhanced user experience by providing relevant information without distractions. Improving user engagement. Landing pages allow performance tracking for better analysis of campaign effectiveness through metrics like conversion rates. They can be tailored to different audience segments, improving relevance and effectiveness, and also provides cost efficiency by maximizing conversions from web and social media traffic. The next question is how landing pages will increase your business. By focusing on a specific action, landing pages improve the chances of converting visitors into leads or customers. They can be tailored to specific campaigns or audiences, ensuring that messaging resonates with potential customers. Effective landing pages capture valuable user information, enabling follow-ups and nurturing leads. A well-defined CTA guides users toward the desired action, reducing confusion and increasing the likelihood of conversion. We offer comprehensive information about landing pages to help you dive deeper into this subject and discover valuable insights on sales and marketing. Our course is designed to guide you in expanding your business and increasing revenue. By registering on our website, you'll get access to detailed information about the course, including what you'll learn and how it can support your business growth. This in-depth program covers all aspects of building and scaling a business through effective sales and marketing strategies.